21st century learners. It is my pleasure to take you today on Basic Science, BS1. And today we shall be looking at the lifestyles of animals. Our objectives are 1. To define a habitat, 2. To list types of body coverings of animals, and 3. To explain breeding in animals. The lifestyles of animals. Some animals live in water, some live inside the ground, some live in the desert, and some live in the forest. So, where these animals live, where they grow, where they eat, where they have the young ones, we call it the animal habitat. So, a habitat is the surroundings in which an animal lives, eats, grows, and has young ones. For example, a lion's habitat is a den. A camel's habitat is a desert. A fish's habitat is water, and so on. Body coverings. Different types of animals have different body coverings. Take a look at these pictures. A fish, a snake, and a crocodile, lizards, and so on and so forth. Their bodies are covered with scales. Number 2. Animals like snail, tortoise, and torch are protected by their shell. When these animals sense danger, they withdraw their head and feet into the shell. And number 3. Feathers. Bodies of birds are covered with feathers that help them to fly and protect them from rain and cold. And number 4. Fur and wool. Sheep, bear, and human beings, basically mammals, are covered with fur or hair all over their body. We have camouflage. Some animals can change their color to match their surroundings, and this mechanism is called camouflage. You can see this chameleon with different colors here, different colors here, different colors here, and different colors here. We are looking at breathing in animals. All animals breathe to stay alive. When an animal breathes, it takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Birds, mammals, and reptiles, they breathe with the help of lungs. Birds, mammals, and reptiles, they breathe with the help of lungs. And some animals don't breathe with lungs, but gills. Fish breathe through gills. So when next mommy is in the kitchen and she's about to prepare fish, you can help her get the gills out of the fish and then trash the gills in the dustbin. We have body surface or moist skin. A frog breathes through its moist skin in water. It breathes with lungs on land. But a tadpole breathes through gills. An earthworm breathes through its moist skin. Take note, these are tadpoles. They are not fish. They only look like fish and swim like fish in the water when you see them, but they are just baby toad or baby frog. So take note of that. We have this grasshopper here, and then we have cockroach here. What do they use to breathe? Insects like cockroach and grasshopper breathe through tiny holes called spiracles. You can see these tiny holes beneath this insect. So that is what they use to breathe. Children like this grasshopper because it plays with them during the day and they play with it during the day as well. But you see this cockroach here, most kids don't like it. Why? I think because every night this cockroach comes around to their kitchens or their toilets to scavenge for dinner. And if you've never seen this guy before in your toilet or in your kitchen at night, then I say you are missing. So, what is our new learning here? All animals have their ways of breathing. Not all animals breathe through lungs, and not all animals breathe through gills, and not all animals breathe through their moist skin. Not all animals breathe through their spiracle. So you, as a mama, I'm sure you know what you use for breathing. And our evaluation, we have classwork and assignment. So what is a habitat? Write out the lesson's theme. Remember to submit your classwork on the GC, while your assignment in a tabular form. List 5 animals and what they use to breathe. Answer this inside your notes. And until we meet again for another topic on basic science, BST1, every morning when you wake up and every night before you go to bed, make sure you say, God bless Nigeria. Thank you.